Hi, I'm Mark Rogers with Rogers Auto Detailing Studio. Today we're working on this 2026 Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, and it's here for our Platinum Wash package. That includes a foam pre-soak, hand wash.
Everyone, Mark with Rogers Auto Detailing Studio. Today we're giving this 2026 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing our Platinum Exterior Wash. We start by laying down a thick pH-balanced foam pre-soak. That blanket of suds.
Letting the foam dwell and loosen all that road film, I go in with a fresh mitt and hand wash every panel, top to bottom. Gentle, straight line passes, no pressure. Once the panel's clean, I rinse the foam away with filtered water so nothing's left.
After the foam pre-soak has loosened the dirt, I move into a hand wash. I'm using a plush microfiber mitt and pH-neutral soap, working top to bottom in straight lines to avoid swirls. A thorough rinse clears away the suds, leaving nothing.
Foam doing its job, we start our rinse from the top down. Keep the nozzle about a foot off the paint and let the water shoot everything away without forcing it into the panels. Wheels and tires hold the worst of the road film.
Exterior on this Platinum Blackwing is now fully completed. The paint has been corrected, protected, and finished out to a mere shine. Tires are dressed, wheels are spotless, and every surface is sealed. Next up, we'll be moving inside to begin.
We're inside the 2026 Cadillac Blackwing, and this is our Platinum package interior detail. We start with a complete vacuum of every seam and pocket. The door panels and carbon trim get a gentle but thorough cleaning.
Today we're performing our Platinum package interior detail on this 2026 Cadillac Blackwing. We start by thoroughly vacuuming every seat seam and crevice to remove loose debris. Next, the door panels are treated with an interior safe cleaner and wiped down to a...
Starting in the hatch, I like to vacuum from the back forward to pull out all the loose dirt and pet hair. Next, I'll hit the door jambs. Even on a brand new Blackwing, they get dusty, so a light APC and a microfiber towel keeps them fresh.
The 2026 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing in the Platinum package we just finished with our premium wash package. That thunder gray metallic now carries a deep liquid gloss. We foam bathed, clayed, and decontaminated the paint before laying.